Bulbasaur Studio. First time. Minion Line. Cute. First time makapasok. Hindi pa.
Tara, try natin.
Hindi ba nakakatakot?
Hindi naman. Safe naman siya. Sisigaw ka lang na. Picture ka? Hindi, sabi ko sa akin namin yun. Ikaw tayo. Ayaw nga.
Ano yung baon? Hello, Mega Love Shara! Happy Sunday! Nandito kami yan sa Universal Studio. Ang ganda! Wow! Wow! Ganyan pala yun! Ay, mag-ride tayo dyan! Ah! Parang hindi ko rin kaya.
Parang mamatay ako. Ilang looks yan? 100 looks yan.
Not so free, so I tell myself to face me, but I've never caught a glimpse of how the others will see the fake now. I'm much too fast to take that test. Don't wanna be a richer one. We're just gonna have to be a different one.
First time ko makapasok dito, guys. Nilibre ako. May pinsan ko. Ate? Oh my God. Ang ganda.
You can't trace time.
Ano daw? May kanya-kanya tayong ano, te. Wow! 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 Ang ganda! Hello!
Hindi ka na muna sa kasi. Pasok tayo. One, two, three, go. One, two, three, go. One, two, three. Center kayo. One, two, three. Isa pa. One, two, three. Wala natin center. Kasi umagaw.
I-picture ako sa Okay.
Saan ka tatakbo? Hanggang solo natin. Tara. Pumasok sa kaso. Ate Lynn,
Yes?
gusto mo ito? Gusto mo lagyan mo sa stroller?
Wah, ang init.
Kita picture lang kita. Dito kayo, papasok kayo.
Ano ba meron dyan?
Sige, pasok kayo dito.
Ano ba meron dyan? Dito na lang kami sa labas.
Ito, bala kayo. Papasok kayo.
Ay, lahat ba yon? O dito lang?
The stroller you must put under the shelf.
Is he included in the extra, the kit? So,
But something new with it.
Thank you. Libre.
Oh. Pasok na daw kami. Pasok na daw kami. First time. Hello, ate.
May show pala.
Ayun, ate. Hello po. Oh, ate, marami daw. Pasok daw kami daan. Express.
Sinalang pala eh.
Hello guys. Hello po. May galag siya. Papasok na kami. Wow, ang sarap ng ano, fresh ko. Sarap pala dito sa loob. Malamig. Malamig. Wow, fresh na fresh ang lola. Hello Kuya Gary, dito po kami sa Singapore Studio. Universal Studio. Ba't ayaw tayo pagbuksan, be? Ah. Hello, baby Sebi. Ano to si baby Sebi?
But this is a Shrek 4D movie. 4D movie. Shrek itself will be outside. The character, Shrek and Princess Fiona are
Outside. So, is this a movie?
Ay, sila ba yun, ate?
Ba't wala si Shrek?
Ay, hindi ko alam.
Ay!
Oh. I-send natin, kukunin ito mamaya, ate. Yung picture doon sa...
Baka sa
Labas.
FB page or something. Baka labas, oo. Pero meron naman tayong sariling copy.
movie number.
Mamaya pa daw lalabas sa Shrek na todo. Sabi nga.
Puya. Puya. Fiona pala yun. Hindi ko alam na si Fiona.
Siya yung ka-partner ni Shrek.
Hindi ko alam. First time.
Si Shrek? Yung si Shrek. Siya yung pangit. Oo, yung pangit.
Pangit talaga.
Pangit siya, uber kasi siya talaga. Ano siya, pangit siya talaga. Ngayon, si Fiona, yan.
Nakapasok.
Pangit na din.
First time ko
Hindi
pumasok.
pumogi si Shrek. Ang nangyari, si
Siyempre.
Fiona, pangit na lang.
Ay, hi, Kuya. Hi, Uncle Emily. Natawa. Nawawali yung... Nawawali.
Wala, dapat maganda tayo dun kasi.
Meron ba? Ay, nawawali yung yumaan.
Dito yung pang
Dito si...
Ah, 4D kasi to.
Si
Uga.
Emily.
Hi, Uncle. So, ay, you show the, his kamag-anak. Your kamag-anak is here. Sino ba yan? Tito Mel.
Ay, hello! Isan.
Diba? Nakita-kita magkakamag-anak. Bakit ang pangit ko din eh? Pigmented. Ako sinauna ko.
Hello po. Yes, how crowded. Ito daw ang ito daw ang susuotin namin. Ayan. Manood. Ano daw, manood tayo ng Shrek? Manood daw kami ng 3D Shrek. Shrek ba? Oh, Shrek. Shrek. Para akong ano dito.
Uy, dalawa pa. Five yata kasi to. 5 na papasukan. Magamitan ng express.
Nasali kami sa
Tignan
Express.
natin sa iba. Papayagan natin tayo.
Kung pasado kami o hindi ni ate.
Balik lang po.
Oh. Late. Hello, Ate Linche.
Welcome to Shrek 4.
Pasok na kami. Let's go. Pasok na daw kami. Line mo.
Paano ko po ng Lord na?
Nawawali talaga yung dumaan. Hindi ko magkalat.
Sabi mo kasi ate, hi. Ito pa tumaan. Magkakapera ba tayo dyan? Sige,
Oo, magkakapera ako dito.
sige, kakapera ka? Sabi sa'yo lahat, sabi mo, tatawanan ko lang.
Oo, magkakapera tayo dito.
Thank you and good luck.
Hindi ate, nandito kami sa ano ba yun? Universal Studio. Oh! Pinagbuksan na kami. Pasok na ba tayo? Paano ba to? Masok po. Ano daw gagawin natin?
Ay, parang isasari yung ulo sa...
Upo na tayo? Sige ate. Ay, baka bawal phone dito.
Hindi Walang upuan. Unexpected ko may upuan.
Akala ko-
Feeling ko, magiging parang kasama natin sila. Feeling ko, nandito din sila. Feeling ko, kasama tayo. Sa loob tayo. Feeling ko, makikita natin sila sa paligid. So, yun ang ina-expect ko, Kasi 4D eh.
Auntie never come. Auntie I stay at home. Nandito kami sa loob, manonood kami
So, yun
ng
ang
Shrek.
expectation ko,
Expectation versus reality.
Kumain ka na, tita. Tita, kumain ka na? Feeling ko. Tatalon ako.
Nandiyan na.
Ay, may makikita pa lang.
Welcome to Castle Spa Faraway Fairy Tale Future Processing Center and Dungeon. Make sure that everybody has a pair of Ogre Vision glasses. They were designed by Lord Farquaad himself to be both practical and stylish. Please refrain from wearing these glasses until you are fully seated in the main chamber behind me. So, we will not take off your Ogre Vision glasses as there are no 3D effects in this specific dungeon. I have a message from my boss, so please listen very carefully. By the order of the recently risen from the great Lord Farquaad, it is my solemn duty and enormous pleasure to oversee your torture and guide you to your next squalid prison. The punishment of eating and drinking while being tortured is a flogging. Since most of you do not know what flogging means, flogging is a severe beating using these two hot iron rods in front of me. And trust me, prisoners, it really hurts. So when I say the words flogging, I want you guys to shout, "Oh no," as loudly as you can. Let's try. Firstly, flash photography of the recording while being tortured is a flogging. That's right. Talking and recording during my presentation is also a flogging. And lastly, failure to turn off all cell phones while being tortured is a flogging. Let's set out the record placed in the ring of Fortnite in the animated and 20 days of non-stop rental television. But after your 10th flogging, you'll get a free chocolate ice cream. Yeah, just kidding, ice cream. On a serious note, expecting mothers or anybody with back, neck, or any similar physical condition, please approach me or management when you enter the main chamber. Attention all parents with young children. Lap sitting or hand carrying your child is strictly not allowed. If you wish to hand carry your child, please proceed to the stationary seats located in the middle of the main chamber. If you do check it, please only use the door to my left and none of the doors behind you. Once again, please refrain from wearing your vision glasses until you are fully seated in the main chamber. Alright,
Hindi pala dito, te.
these
Pala
are
pala.
your Benjamins, the three little pigs and Pinocchio, currently fast asleep. I am showing them up and you'll tell your story about Shrek and Princess Fiona. Wake up, Pinocchio. It's time to wake
Outside ba?
up.
Pinocchio.
Hey, who's out there?
It looks like a smart crowd.
Yeah, really smart.
They're that smart. What are they doing here?